supplementaries will be allowed. Honorable Minister in charge to reply, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Reply to Star question 28. Yes, sir.
MLA, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister the reason why the Baljek airport has not been functional till date?
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, it is a fact that the airport was delayed quite some time. The main reason is that the total area that we are having now is not sufficient to operate 48 72 air flight. That is one of the reasons. Yes, it was last, in 2013, the then government has acquired another 50 acres, but unfortunately it was not sufficient. And in fact, the airport authority asks more land now. That is one of the main reasons that it was delayed. But now we are, I follow up this matter personally, so we are trying to make it functional, but it will take some time. Unless and until we are fulfill this another additional 60 acres, so we are unable to operate the airport with the 80 Action 2 aircraft.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know if the land acquisition is complete, the additional 60 acres which is required, sir?
Yeah, the 68 acre now is under process of acquired, and only then after the acquirement of the additional land, then we will ask the airport authority to send the DPR for the infrastructure development. Only then we will be able to go for the further course of action.
Yes, please. Charles.
So in the course of his reply, the Honourable Minister has said, Deputy Chief Minister has said that they have acquired 60 acres more. May I know from the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister, what is the total area required to make this airport functional? And what is the present area available in the Baljek airport complex?
Mr. Speaker, sir, now the present area we are having is 120 acre, and according to the airport authority ODS, we are need another 68 acre in order to make it operational.
So the total area is 168 acres that's required to make this operational.
185 plus minus.
180.
Become 180 plus minus.
Fine. May I know then, Honourable Speaker, at the present moment, what is the length of the runway and how much do we have to extend it to allow the ATR 600 or 700s to land?
Mr. Speaker, sir, the present length is 1100 meters and we need 1750 meters for the ATR to land.
Then, Mr. Speaker, sir, with the acquisition of the additional land, will the extension of the length of the runway be completed?
Yes, that is the purpose, Mr. Speaker, sir.
No, the purpose I understand, but will it fulfill the requirements for the runway to be extended so that the aircraft can land?
Yes, yes, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Yes, sir. May I know if the government has made any efforts to include this airport under the URAN scheme?
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister, when can we expect it to be operational?
Mr. Speaker, sir, it was so many letters has been written by our Honourable Chief Minister to the airport authority and through UDAN scheme for the small flight, and it was unfortunately that on 12 May 2023, the latest letter has been written by our Honourable Chief Minister, and we received a reply from the Ministry of Civil Aviation. So no bidder is interested to bid for this small aircraft, so now it gets stuck up to that only. But anyway, we are follow up this matter very seriously to get even a smaller aircraft to operation.
Yes, Barden.
So may I know from the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister the amount of money spent for the construction of this airport?
Mr. Speaker, sir, not yet because we have to acquire first the land and then DPR for the infrastructure will be made. As of now, no money has been spent because we are still yet to acquire another 68 acre of land.
So, what I mean to say is that since this airport which has been constructed has not been made operational, so what the total amount of money that has been spent already?
Mr. Speaker, sir, so actually for the land acquisition for the second phase is 3 crore, 1,29,000, but for the whole amount right from the day one actually is information is not with me, so I require notice for that. How much amount has been spent so far in this airport? So information is not me, Mr. Speaker, sir, so I require notice for that.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center